Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC295 Stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not responding to the button pushes, or if it's just bugging, if it's frozen, if it won't play the disc, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to clear out all the memory and presets and everything like that and get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box, this will do that as well. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is unplug the stereo from the wall and then wait at least 3 minutes to let everything clear out. Once that happens, you're just going to come over and press and hold the power button on top of the unit, and while pressing and holding that power button, you can go ahead and plug it back in and just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, and keep an eye on this display here, and you will eventually see this display a bunch of dashes all the way across it, dash, 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 at which point you can release the power button and this will have been reset to its factory defaults. You can set it up like new.